What's happening, my friend? Today, I want to give you 3 basic collie drills so you can start your collie training today, develop some good fundamental strikes, and set you up for a successful journey in your collie practice. All you need is a stick, collie stick. If you don't have a collie stick, you can head over to the link I have down below, order yourself a pair, or just grab anything that you can find right now around that can substitute. Let's get to drill number 1. For drill number 1, we're focusing on our diagonal strikes, our basic angles 1, 2, 3, and 4. So angles 1 and 2, we're gonna strike down the X, make a big X in front of your body. Then angle 3 and 4, we're coming up the X, just like this. So we have down the X on angle 1 and 2, up the X on angles 3 and 4. Just wanna get it moving, get it nice and smooth. Even though we're swinging a stick, I want you to think to yourself that you are making nice, clean cuts with a sword. You can move around a little bit as well. Feel free to do that. Explore facing different directions. Turning right, turning left, and being able to strike in any degree, multiple angles. For drill number 2, we're working on some horizontal strikes. We're gonna strike all the way through, up on top. Then I'm gonna squat down and strike what's called a broken strike. So I'm gonna hit right to the center and then retract it. And come back high on the backhand horizontal right there. So we're learning the difference between what's called a fluid strike that strikes to the center and goes all the way through, and a broken strike that hits to the center and retracts with this particular drill. But we're just focusing right now on horizontal strikes. So from here, strike high, low, and high. For a third and final drill, we're going to focus on some vertical strikes, some different types of techniques on our vertical strikes. So from here, we're going to start on our forehand side. We're going to first strike a large circle just like this. So we're learning circular energies right here. We're going to do a big circle where the tip of the stick, look at it, it's going to travel all the way behind my body. This is when you need a lot of power. And you're striking down on the vertical strike right here. Then the second strike we're going to do is we're going to do a small circular strike on the vertical. We're going to keep the tip in front of the body just like this. All right? So we got large circle and then little circle. Large circle, little circle. Large circle, little circle. And this is the drill right here. 2 movements on the vertical strikes. Okay, bonus exercise. Once you have these 3 drills down individually, then you want to combine them into a free flow type of training. In Kali, we call this Sayaw, which means to dance, or some styles refer to this as Carranza. Almost lost my camera right there from the wind. So that's it. That's the training for today. These drills are going to set you up for success in the rest of your collie journey. So focus on them, spend time with them, get your reps in. To dive deeper into these skills and the rest of the collie skills, head over to colliecenter.com. Go check out our online training. We got our Collie Fundamentals training course, great for solo training. It's all solo training, covers all the areas of collie. And for more partner training and for more direct coaching with your Collie Center staff and coaches, then you may want to check out our online school. All that's over at colliecenter.com. First link down in the description. Let me know down in the comments, where are you training from? What state? What country? Where in the world are you swinging sticks? All right, go be safe and have fun in your training. I'll catch you back here next time.